This is the letter A, and it's the first sound that we're going to learn. And the sound that letter A makes is ah. If you have any letter tiles or letter blocks that you want to pull out, you can pull out your A. And when I tap mine, then you can tap yours. Or if you have the workbook, then you can put your finger on the dot when you tap it, and you can put your finger along the arrow when we stretch them out. Okay? So right now we're going to do letter A, and A says, ready, tap, ah. Again, ah. Do it again, ah. Now we're going to stretch out that sound as far as we can stretch it. Okay, are you ready? Ah. Good stretching. Let's say the A sound again and stretch it out. Ready? Ah. Okay, let's do it one more time. Stretch out that A sound. Ah. Good job. Now we're going to tap it and say it fast. Ready? Ah. Do it again. Ah. What sound did it make? Ah. Good job. Did you say it along with me? Good work. Now that we know the ah sound, let's take it down and let's play with his friend M. What sound does M make? M says Ready? So let's tap it and say the sound. Tap it and say the sound. Good. Now let's hold it and stretch out the sound. Are you ready? Good job. You ready to do that again? Let's hold it and stretch out the sound. Good. One more time. That's perfect. Now we'll add our ah back to it, and we can actually read our very first word. Isn't that cool? That's a word, and we're going to read it together. So we said our ah and our remember? We stretched out our ah, we stretched out our So now we're going to stretch them into each other, okay? Are you ready? Let's stretch out the ah, and then when we move over, we're going to stretch out the You ready? Okay, let's go. Good job. Did you say it with me? All right, we're going to stretch them out again. You ready? Take a deep breath. That was good. Let's try that one more time. Take a deep breath. Good. Are you beginning to hear a word? Are you? Okay, now we're going to let that rubber band snap back. We're going to say it fast. So now we're going to say the two sounds fast together. Are you ready? Am. Say it again. Am. Say it again. Am. Good. You said it fast, like a word. Good job. So A-M spells am. Good work. What would happen if we swapped their positions? Let's swap their positions. Are you ready? Now we're going to stretch out the sounds again. But first we're going to stretch out the M, then we're going to stretch out the A. Okay, are you ready to try it with me? All right, say it with me. Ma. You ready to do it again? Ma. Let's do it one more time. Say it with me. Ma. Good. Now we're going to say it fast like a word. You ready? Ma. Say it fast. Ma. Say it fast again. Ma. That's right. M-A is ma. And we will be making words with more letters in the next lesson. Good job.